is the GCV price $314,159 per unit of Pi realistic? Let's find out in this video. Considering the last video that I did talking about the price prediction of Pi network, I did a proper price prediction of Pi network in that video. I'm going to be leaving it in the description. You need to see the amount of hate comments I got in that video just because I said the truth. I mean, numbers don't lie. Everything was right in front of you in that video. I did the total breakdown of the numbers in that video and I got the exact price prediction of Pi network price in that video. In this video, I'm going to actually show you something. Now, we are going to analyze something in this video, right? Then after the end of this video, you're not going to tell me in the comment section if $314,159 per unit of Pi is realistic or not. Now, if you do a quick Google search, you are going to see that the entire net worth of the whole world, including the 7 continents, which is Africa, Asia, Australia, Antarctica, North America, South America, and Europe. Now, the entire world, the net worth of the entire world is $454.4 trillion. That is the entire net worth. And you know what net worth means? Including the properties and the cash, everything all together. As at 2022, that was the last time they recorded it, right? Now, that's one. Now, the entire market capitalization of crypto, including Bitcoin and every other altcoin, is over $2.5 trillion as of right now. Now that we've gotten that established, right? Now, it is also evident that the total supply of Pi network is going to be 100 billion. Now, I'm going to do a quick mathematics. 100 billion times $314,519. Your answer is going to be 31 quadrillion 451,900 billion. Now, I already showed you the net worth of the entire world, right? Now, tell me where this figure is going to come from. Some people are saying that Pi is not a cryptocurrency, it is a digital currency. I mean, what is a cryptocurrency? What is a digital currency? That Pi is going to be in its own ecosystem, it's not going to depend on other. No matter what you want to call Pi, Pi is a digital currency, so is Bitcoin, so is Ethereum, so is Solana. The technology behind Pi, Stellar, is a cryptocurrency. Pi is a cryptocurrency, either you like it or not. So the whole narrative, I don't know that you guys are making, I don't really understand. So the price of Pi is not going to be more than that amount, which is between 100 to 200 at best. $200 at best. I did the whole math there and it's right there. Numbers don't lie, it is figures. Pick up your calculator and do the mathematics yourself. No one is against GCV price. As a matter of fact, I'm even counting on it. Imagine me, I have over 2,000 Pi coins. Imagine one coin being 314,519, will be $159. How much is that going to be when you multiply that? So who doesn't want to be wealthy? But then that's not possible. So guys, the price of Pi, just fix your mind at from $50 to about $200 max. So at least that's a much more realistic price prediction of Pi network. So that's basically what I came to do here. I came to break down this thing and explain to many of you that are misunderstanding what I did in that video. I'm going to leave a video in the description, so you go there, you watch it. I did a proper breakdown of how you can get the price prediction of Pi network coins. So guys, I hope those of you that were in that comment section get to see this video and understand why that price prediction is that way. So that will be the end of today's video, guys. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.